In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a no reply email in Outlook. The goal here is to discourage people from replying to your messages by setting up an automatic response that clearly says the inbox isn't monitored. This is perfect for announcements, alerts, or newsletters sent from an address you don't want replies going to. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Outlook. If you prefer, you can search for Outlook and click the official result to open the Outlook web app. Once your mailbox is open, look to the top right of the screen and click the settings gear icon. This opens the quick settings panel. From there, find the account section or select view all Outlook settings and then go to the accounts category. Inside this area, locate automatic replies. This is where you'll configure the behavior that makes your mailbox function like a no reply address. Turn on automatic replies. With the toggle on, you can set a start time and an end time. Scheduling is helpful if you only need the no reply behavior during a campaign window or for a defined period. If you leave the schedule off, the automatic response will stay active until you turn it off later. Now craft your message. Keep it short, clear, and consistent. A simple format works best. Thank the sender for their message, explain that this mailbox is not monitored, and provide the correct way to get help or contact the right team. On the last line, add a firm note such as, "Do not reply. This is an automated message." Including that exact phrasing eliminates ambiguity and sets expectations for anyone who tries to respond. If your version of Outlook offers options to send replies only to people inside your organization or to everyone, choose the audience that matches your use case. Take a moment to review your times and message for accuracy. Make sure the tone matches your brand and that any links or references you include are correct and accessible. When everything looks good, click Save. Your automatic replies are now active, and your mailbox will respond on your behalf according to the schedule you set. A quick note for clarity, this setup discourages replies and informs senders that the inbox isn't monitored. It does not technically block someone from hitting reply. If you need stricter handling, that typically involves policies or mailbox configurations beyond this screen. For most scenarios, though, a clear automated message with a do not reply line does the job well. That's it. Your no reply setup in Outlook is complete.